How to fix animations not working in PowerPoint. So if you've spent ages setting up fancy slide transitions and effects, only for PowerPoint to ignore them completely during your presentation, don't worry, it's usually just a hidden setting or trigger bug, which we'll of course fix in this video. Follow me. Okay, so you just first need to check PowerPoint's global slideshow settings to make sure animations haven't been disabled across your entire deck. So just open up your presentation and head up to the Slideshow tab in the main ribbon. Slideshow, which is right over here. Click on Setup Slideshow, right here, to bring up the configuration box. Then look under the Show Options section for the checkbox that says Show Without Animation. Okay, in here. So if this box is ticked, PowerPoint will skip every single effect you've created. So go ahead and untick it so that it's disabled, just like in my case. And click OK to save. And also you can press F5 to test out your slideshow and see if your animations play normally again. Next, what if only certain items fail to animate? Let's check your animation triggers and sequence inside the Animations pane. So you just need to head over to Animations pane or tab right here on the top. And after that, you just click on Animations pane to open the side panel listing all your slide effects. And to make sure that your elements are listed in the correct numerical order. If an item is placed behind a delayed trigger, it won't appear when expected. And also you can just go ahead and right click with your mouse on the problematic animation and inspect its start behavior. Switch it from on click to with previous or after previous if you want it to run automatically without waiting for a manual click. Okay, and if it's still frozen or if your animations are stuttering, let's go to Files, File, Options, and then Advanced. And then scroll down to Display. Let me see where we have Display. There you go. And disable Slideshow Hardware Graphics Acceleration briefly and test if that's going to stop stuttering or any other problems. When you find that, just press OK. If that's not the problem, just bring it back and save back all the settings. Okay, and also you can go File, Open and Browse. Like this, Open, Browse. And then you just choose your file, click the arrow next to the Open button right here and choose Open and Repair. So these are your steps. Enjoy, guys.